A minute. Okay, here's the learner. All right, and here's the material to be learned. Okay, yeah, please learn. This is what happens to me on Monday morning. Oh, are you learning? I don't know. Are you reading? Yes, I'm reading. Well, then you must be learning. I don't know. I don't think I'm learning anything. Well, please look for the words that begin with S. Is the learner learning? We don't know. We are professionals. We are helping young people to learn, but we don't know what learning is. It's a serious problem. Okay. Let's see. Philosophy of education. Oh, no. Sorry. Ideal design. Let's talk about the design of learning. Here's what we do. We, with our teaching experience, we know how people learn. We don't know what learning is, but we know how they learn. And we know how to teach them. So, we make a task for them. We give them something to do. Read this, memorize that, find the answer to this question. Make something. Sometimes it's successful, sometimes not successful. We change the task. That's education. Right there. But what's that thing on top? IT. We don't need it. What happens now? We get IT. IT is so exciting, so new, it gets quite big. But at the same time, we don't have enough time to think about our wisdom. So do you know what's going to happen now? You know. So, we are teachers before we have IT. Now we have IT. What the hell are we going to do? Well, some people do this. I'm doing this now. This is a picture of me. I'm using a computer to show you something. That's a waste of money. Oh, let the student use the computer. Tell the student what to do. Watch what the student does. Very nice situation. The student is motivated by the computer. Great. And you give the student feedback, encouragement, input, evaluation. Yeah, great. Or work together with the student. How lovely. One-to-one. Great. Uh-oh. That's the usual problem. What are you going to do now? You have to watch 40 kids, 50 kids? It's not very easy. So, what number was that? Scenario 4. Oh, there's the teacher in the middle speaking to one student. This is my case. 54 students, time per class, 1 minute per student. No good. No, what number is that? 5, 6. So, here's another solution. Take a small group. This is what I do in Kochi Computer Assisted Language Learning Lab. Work with small groups. The room has big space. It's designed for a small group. But 4 minutes per class, that's not very good. So, here's where we go. Oh, make something, put it on the World Wide Web, everybody do it. That looks good, but no evaluation. So, oh yeah, interactive, remote control, Star Trek. I make something, I put it on the web, students get it, they do it, they send it to me, and I get 54 emails. Oh, great. Zangyo, overtime. Not very good. So, well, we definitely need a philosophy here. We definitely need a philosophy. Let's go back here. Philosophy. Learning is mysterious. We don't know about it. But we do know that learners must be interested. No interest? Not very efficient learning. My point for today. Learning results from processing. Information in, do something, information out. And processing must be varied. Here, read this, read this, read this, read this. No way. Confidence is necessary for learning. Teachers are necessary for interest, varied processing, and confidence. In the public schools and in the universities of Japan, we do not have mature learners. The learners are generally immature. They are not highly motivated. They are not confident. They are not mature. They need a teacher to encourage them, to watch them, to guide them, to inspire them. The internet is a good resource. Okay. Philosophy Part 2. Learning requires interest, varied processing, and confidence. Mature learners have interest and confidence. Less mature learners have less interest and confidence. Okay. So now you say, so what? Takara doshita. What do I do on Tuesday? You know, public school teachers are very busy. You know, big classes, many classes, homework, marking, sensei watsurayo. It's not fun. Oh, computers. Please learn computers. Teacher, start using computers in your class. More work. I don't think so. That's not correct. The computer can make your job easier and more fun. But how? Okay. Today I want to show you one simple thing to change your teaching completely. And it's free. And you don't need a computer. If you have a computer, it's better. If you don't have a computer, it's almost the same. Computer mo nai hito ga daitai onaji. I want to talk about design process. Oh, good. 4 steps. Choose the target knowledge or skill. What do you want the learner to learn? Some knowledge or some skill? Create a task. Make a test, make a reading, ask them to make something. Task. Do this. Observe the learner doing the task. Give them the job. They're working. You watch. Are they successful? Are they motivated? Is it easy? Is there a problem? Design problem? Redesign. And redesign and redesign. You know, you make a worksheet, you give the students, they don't understand some part, so you change it. Okay, that's the basic concept. But there's a weak